This may be you, searching every single day to find a home to buy in Ithaca, New York, and not quite finding the right one. Hi, I'm Laurel Guy, and many of the folks that I'm working for have a hard time finding just the right house. There's more buyers than houses in Ithaca at the moment. Have you ever thought about building a brand new house, an affordable custom house? This net zero home can be built in 12 weeks. What is net zero? Your home produces all of the energy it uses. This smart home will have an open, spacious feel with custom finishes. The house will be set back from the road on a 1-acre lot with distant views, just 8 minutes from downtown Ithaca. So imagine that your search for your new home stops right here with this custom net zero home that is affordable and can be built in 12 weeks by Starland Builders.